Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. So in previous video I shared how evil entities who are acting as twin flame coaches, they tried spreading a false information about Merkaba hijack. And they spreaded that information so that the real twin flames, especially the divine feminines, keep on staying stuck on the karmic twin flame. So they actually wanted to put the real twin flames into the false hope until they make you believe the Merkaba has been hijacked or damaged. Because of that, the divine masculine's brain has been hijacked. That is why he's into multiple relationship. That is why he's ghosting you. So divine feminines will start believing on that information. And I was shocked to see that so many twin flames have believed on that false information. So that was one of the easiest trick to keep divine feminines or the real twin flames keep on staying stuck on the karmic twin flame, because that is part of false hope, and lot of people including twin flames and the humans are operating from false hope. Evil entities who are acting as twin flame coaches and also false spiritual gurus try to make you believe that the life is being ruled by the dark forces, but the reality is opposite. Everything is being ruled and under controlled divine forces only. So generally twin flames are energetically, emotionally blocked, and because of that reason they are not able to listen to their intuition, which is keep on guiding always. So that was another reason that they created this false hope. So even though if you wish to start coming out of false hope, you will not be able to, because the main issue in this connection is it is like only that you actually have intense feelings for karmic twin flame, and this is because of multiple reasons. So this cannot be denied that when you meet a karmic twin flame, you will have that instant feeling, intense feeling, and it will be so difficult to detach from that person. And this is the one reason that these entities who are acting as twin flame coaches, the false gurus, are trying to make you believe that he is the only divine masculine. So please know the Merkaba hijack information was completely false, wrong, incorrect information that was only spreaded to create false hope, to keep you stuck on karmic twin flame. So please go ahead and research on Google about earth chakras. You will find a lot of information. I have shared some of the screenshots and recorded video through, like, while searching on Google. You can do your own research. You will find out a lot of information about earth chakras. And earth is alive and there is no sort of damage or hijacked about, mother earth chakras. So mother earth is fully activated, and she is a divine feminine, and her divine counterpart is dear father sky. So they always remain in a union. There is no separation ever. But vibration of earth gets affected when the real people are operating from lower vibrations. This is the main reality, that these evil forces tried keeping the real twin flames stuck on karmic twin flame, who is the lowest, who operates from lowest vibration. So when you start healing your energies and you start moving forward, you start ascending, you become the reason to help Mother Earth in raising the vibration of planet Earth. So the dark forces do not want you to do that, and that is the reason they created multiple traps on the name of this twin flame journey. On planet earth and even in the whole universe, everything is under divine control. It's just that when you are born as a human, whether you are a twin flame, chosen one, or anybody else, you actually ignore your intuition, and wherein you are being shown the truth about people in your life and even the true intentions. So when you ignore and then you take decisions, generally those are wrong decisions based on illusion or false hope, I can say. And after some time you realize, oh, you did a mistake by trusting a wrong person. But if you go ahead and start thinking, no, your intuition was trying to tell you something about this person which you actually ignored. So in this process, divine will not interfere. This is your life. You are being blessed with lot of powers, especially if you are a twin flame. You are a highly intuitive being. And if you keep on ignoring, then there will be multiple karmic lessons, whether you tend to learn it through a karmic twin flame or multiple other karmics in your life. So this is your responsibility. You have to start operating, listening to your intuition. And until you do not start doing all these things, you will keep on repeating your karmic lessons. So you have to start taking responsibility for your actions, for your choices, for your decision. If you are a real twin flame, you are a blessed being, you have a lot of powers, you are highly intuitive, you can always see through people. If you start listening, following your intuition, you will realize you are being told everything about a person, about a situation. But till the time you keep on ignoring, divine will make sure that they keep on repeating your karmic lessons, whether you by staying stuck on karmic twin flame or on some other people. So there is nothing called spiritual hijack. It was just a term created by evil entities who are working as spiritual gurus, even into as twin flame coaches. So no force or no human can ever do interference into the Mother Earth chakras, because she is a divine feminine, also ascended one, and always remains in union with her divine counterpart, with Father Sky. So no sort of interference can be done into Earth chakras. And it is quite difficult to detach from a karmic twin flame, but know that you are stronger. And if you're a divine feminine, I understand that your emotions are overpowering you. For that you have to do a lot of spiritual work, energy healing, but know that it is possible for you. I have done that. That is why I'm able to tell you this. So till the time you keep on operating from false hope, you will always find yourself stuck on karmic twin flame. You will keep on experiencing runner chaser dynamic throughout your life. And then if you do not correct these things in this lifetime, you will start experiencing the same thing in another lifetime. It is your responsibility. You can do it. You have got the powers and you do have divine support. But you have to initiate all these things. I hope this is clear to you now that Merkaba hijack information was a false information to keep a real twin flame stuck on karmic twin flame. And now go ahead and do some research about earth chakras on Google. You will find out a lot of information. If you're new to my channel, if you have not watched false hope video, please go ahead and listen to that video. You will have that clarity. What is false hope and how people are trapping themselves on the name of relationship or connections just by operating from false hope. So this was about today's video. I will see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye-bye.